Welcome to the laminar flow cabinet video. In this video I will show you how to operate these laminar flow cabinets. Not only how to turn them on, but also how to properly clean them and sterilize them. But before that, I want to show you a little bit of important things on the outside of the laminar flow cabinet. We'll start with a black bin. You throw everything that's not been in contact with organic waste material in there. For example, paper or plastic wrappers. And inside of this blue bin that I have here, you throw everything that's been in contact with organic waste material. That could be petri dishes, pipette tips, tubes that had cells or culture media in it, etc. We also have a pedal here. This pedal, when you push it, the burner should turn on. And this waste bucket, it should be less than 70% full before you start the day. Because everything that you aspirate with a platinum needle, which I will show in a bit, goes inside of the bucket, and you have to make sure that it's not too full before you start a day. So now I will show you how to turn on the laminar flow cabinet. We have here a panel with different buttons. To turn it on, we would press this fan, and the moment you press it on, very annoying alarm is going to start sounding, and you turn it off by pressing this A button, the alarm button. Then you can also turn on the light by pressing this button up here. So I will demonstrate now. But before that, we have older and newer models. If you have a newer model, this window will go up by itself. If you have an older model, you will have to push it up by yourself, and you have to push it until it's around this blue arrows level. If it's not in the correct position, you will know because the alarm will start sounding again. And then it's just, then you just have to wiggle the window a little bit until it's in the correct position. But I will demonstrate this now. So I turn it on by pressing the fan button. Very annoying alarm. Deactivate it and then turn on the light. And then I push this window up. Then if the alarm doesn't sound anymore, then it's in the correct position. And you have to wait until this red light turns green. So the laminar flow cabinet is now ready. There's two more buttons that we need to press, and that's the socket, number 2, and the gas. By turning these buttons on, you now have current, and you also have gas for your burner. So this is just a slightly different laminar flow cabinet, but the principle is the same. You have an on button. Once you turn it on, you turn the alarm off, which is this red button. And then instead of pushing the window up by yourself, there's this arrow button. You press the arrow up button and keep it pressed, and the window will go up by itself, and then it will stop by itself at the correct position, which is easier than wiggling with the window yourself. So let me demonstrate. Turn it on, turn the alarm off, and push the window up. The window has stopped by itself, so then I let go, and then I just wait until the alarm button has stopped blinking and the on-off button has a green light. Once that has happened, then I can turn the gas on, and then I can start working. Now, the blinking has stopped, the light is green, now I turn the gas on, and now the cabinet is ready to work. Then the next step is to make sure our laminar flow cabinet is sterile. For that, we grab a bottle of ethanol, we spray the inside, then we grab a piece of tissue, and then we start wiping. And we make sure that we wipe from the back to the front. So as you can see, I start at the back, now I'm wiping towards the front of the flow cabinet. And now the surface has been decontaminated. After that, the next step is to clean the pipettes. So these pipettes. And you also need to clean the AccuJet Pro. The reason for that is because we don't know what the people before us did and how clean they worked. So again, we grab a piece of tissue, we spray some ethanol, and then we can clean the pipettes. Pay special attention to the tip of the pipettes. Now, you can add a little bit more of ethanol. And then I clean the AquaJet. After cleaning the pipettes, the next step is to turn on the gas. Well, the gas is already turned on, but it's not flowing towards our gas burner. So then we have this valve here. It's this yellow valve here. To turn it on, you push it down and then turn it. So now we have gas flowing towards our gas burner, but we don't have vacuum yet. And to turn on the vacuum with this laminar flow cabinet, there's a special pump located underneath or to the side. It's this box right here, and it has a small button which we can turn on and off. So right now I've just turned it on, so now I also have vacuum flowing through the platinum needle. And we will use this platinum needle to aspirate media that we don't need from the cells, or waste that we want to get rid of.